I am always looking for a really great travel backpack, and this one here was sent for my review, and we are going to check it out together. It looks like they had so many different compartments, and I love that in a good backpack. So right here, right off the bat, here's the front, obviously. So it does come with this American flag patch. You can take that off. But one of the things that I've never seen before, which I think is so cool, you have this massive rectangle right here. So if you do collect patches, instead of sewing them on, if you get some ones with Velcro, you can just add like a bunch of different ones on here, and I think that is super fun. Right down here, and this too, never really seen that before. I actually had to look this up to see what it was, and this is actually so you can like hook on like glasses, sunglasses. I think I saw someone have like a little like a carpenter knife, like a Leatherman on there. So basically you just take, like, let's say I was gonna do my glasses, and it just slips through the little, obviously it's gonna be a little bit tough right now because it's the first time using it, and then you just kind of grab that and then you go like this. So obviously if you have glasses in the front, you're gonna be careful, you're not just gonna like chuck your bag, but yeah, having different tools and stuff, I think that is really neat. And that way, if you know, you just need to grab and go, I think that's pretty cool. So we've got that. Then down here in the front, you've got these little like aeration. I was like, why do we have the aeration? And that's because this right here is actually a shoe pouch, which I absolutely love, because you know, when you're traveling, if you need to bring an extra pair of shoes, you want to put them in here. You don't want them with the rest of your clothes, because sometimes, you know, our shoes get a little bit stinky, and so you can put them in here, and the fact that they have like the little vents, I think is really awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get to the main part of the bag. Well, of course, we have some front pocket zippers here. Let's check this one out here. So we've got one here. We've got the great clip, so you can add your keys on there. A couple of the little like pockets. We've got that one, and then up at the top, another little small one right up here. These ones are always great for some grab and go. So let's go ahead and unclip these. So I'm seeing clips on both sides. So we're going to do that. And then we'll find the zipper. So this comes down. Does it go all the way around? Let's see. Oh, it opens up like this. Oh, normally a lot of these bags, it like opens kind of just like on the side like this. I kind of like it lengthwise like that. I think that's neat. So this is the inside for where the shoes go. Just in case you're wondering what this flap is, this is where your shoes are. So again, it's on the inside of your bag, obviously, but it is separated from the rest of your clothing. So you've got this really nice space right here. I do love that you have the little clip here, so you can keep everything nice, pushed down, compact, and compressed inside there. And I'm seeing, oh, so they even have like the little charging port here on the outside, and it does come with the cable. So if you don't know what this is, let's say for example you have a power bank, you can actually plug in your power bank right here, and then you have your cord, and you can actually connect your phone, so that way you're not holding your power bank. You just have the cord coming out here, and then you have your phone, and you can do whatever it is you're doing without having to hold your phone and the power bank. I think that's cool. And the fact that they include the cord, they don't often do that. That's really neat. So over here on this side, right here, this is a good spot, because this is gonna where you can put like shampoos, lotion, so that nothing spills. You can also put like wet articles of clothing, like maybe like even like dirty socks, you know, undergarments and stuff like that. So you can kind of keep that separated, and it is going to be waterproof, which is really great. So this is the main part inside of your bag where your clothing is gonna go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and assume at the back, this is probably a great pouch. There you go, for your laptop, for your iPad. You've got some nice padding here, which is really nice, of course. And then on the back, let's check this out. Always love when they do have the little buckle right here, because obviously that's going to help if it's like super heavy. It's going to help with the weight. You've got some really nice padding right here on the shoulders, because of course these bags tend to get heavy. And then you also have the padding here on the back. You also have like the reason the fabric is like this, it just kind of helps the air like kind of filter through that, which is really nice. And then you also have the strap here. So this is going to go around your waist right here. So again, you can clip it here and here. So it's just going to help carry it, and it's not going to be too intense on your back. And these look like little secret zippers here. That's pretty cool. So these are like super tiny. This maybe if you wanted to put like a bit of cash, or if you wanted to put a card or something, just so that it's really easy access, because this would be right here in the front on top of you. Sometimes these bags, so I don't see one, sometimes they have the like another zipper here, but theirs are right here on the front. But yeah, so I think this is really great. You've got lots of room. They have one on both sides. Oh, hold on. Okay, look at that, discovering another cute little pocket right here. You've got a handle right here over on this side. That's why I was asking. You have the slot here for your water bottle. So of course you can be holding this up from the top, handle on the side, wear it like a backpack. It also comes with a shoulder strap as well, honestly. And then these right here, you can clip different ways. You can kind of like put it on the different sides and then clip this as well, so then you kind of have that shoulder bag. So yeah, if you are looking for a really great travel backpack, this one here is awesome.